if this is what I think it is and it came in today's mail, that this has been what I've been waiting for. Kids, don't try this at home. Is it? Yes. All right. Science. Science. Way cool. Oh, look at that. I got secret toy surprises. I am bringing Felicity Smoak into this because she is my only science-y related Funko that I have. Now, I too am a student of science. Science! We also have behind the scenes, the making of science. I am feeling like my name's gonna be here somewhere as a Kickstarter backer. I just love having this in my hands. It is just something different than about the digital copy I already received. Very slick, well, good quality pages, good quality paper, and the colors and the art. I am impressed. Science! He blinded me with science! It is written by Ashley and Jason with art by Desiree Pittman and Becca Kinsey. Lettering, we got Taylor Esposito, and edited by the awesome S.M. Bako. Hope I pronounced everybody's name right. Some great stuff. Looking forward to it. Thank you, Jason and Ashley, for making my day. And you have just got to keep up the good work in creating great all-ages comics like this to get people reading.